Hi guys, it's Joyce. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, it's gonna be an introduction to the channel. Okay guys, so pretty much I'm just gonna be like telling you guys what my channel is about, when I'm gonna be posting, and just like a little some about me so you guys can get to know my channel better, know me better, so you know who you're gonna be watching, who you're subscribing to, and what you're getting yourself into. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a super short video. Okay guys, so I'm Joyce, that's me. This face, that's me. So a little bit about me. I always like wanted to join YouTube. Like I started my channel 2016, and I always been like scared. Like I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? Like I just always been scared to start a channel. So I always like I think it was like 27 or 2019. I probably like posted my first video, then post for like another year. After that, then post for like another year, and then post it again, then post for like 5-6 months. So this time I'm gonna take it a little bit more serious and actually post, because I'm actually really trying to be a YouTuber. This is actually something I'm trying to do. So that's me. So on this channel, we're gonna be diving into a little bit of everything, like cooking, trial hauls, like fashion, makeup. You know, I'm not even good at makeup, so we're just gonna learn as we go. I'm a bad makeup artist, y'all. So makeup, like I'm starting like my locks journey. If you guys would like to see how I like maintain my locks, what I do to my locks, how I style my locks, like all that's gonna be on my channel. Get ready with me. You know what I'm saying? It's like all that's gonna be my channel. If you're interested in all of those things that I just said, make sure you subscribe, please. Comment, share, and like for more videos. I was like, it's 2021. Like, ain't no being a scared little bitch out here. I'm like, it's time for us to be a bad bitch and like put out our energy and vibe and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying, support me. You know, I'm a new YouTuber. Support me. Help your girl out. Subscribe to my videos. Make sure you like. Once you like my channel, right? I promise you, you will never get bored of what I'm posting. I'm saying, I'm a little bit cuckoo, so I'm just gonna be like giving you guys like crazy videos, like pranks. Like I'm just gonna give you guys video, and I'm gonna be posting like twice a week, which is Monday and Saturday. Those are my 2 days I'm gonna be posting. Like, you know, if you'd like me to like post something, comment down like us, comment down something you like me to post, like what you like me to make videos on. I could probably do like advice and stuff, story time. Like I have a lot of story that I could probably give you guys, and you'll probably just think I'm cool. I promise you I'm not. That's just my energy. Let's get into the video. Let's dive into a little bit about me. So once, I'm a Scorpio baby. Like, no saying that's us. That's me. I'm a Scorpio, first of all, and secondly, I'm cute. I'm black. I'm Liberian, so I'm from Africa. Please make sure to subscribe for more video. Hit that subscriber button, guys, please. Thank you, guys. This is the end of the video, but before I end this video, I'm gonna show you guys the outfit, so you know, just scared. That's it. Leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I promise I will respond to everybody that leave a comment and that subscribes on this video. For more content, guys, stay tuned. Monday and Saturday. See you guys.